big day. Big day for my boy. Big Briss over here. Today I'm actually letting my brother drive my car. I'm gonna let him drift at Evergreen. We're gonna see what he does. We're gonna let him cook. I just gotta put it together right now because we didn't plan this, you know what I mean? I wasn't planning on doing this, but we were talking on it last night, and I'm gonna just let him do it. So we're gonna see how he does. They said I got until like 3 o'clock. It's like 12 right now, so yeah, I got 3 hours to knock this shit out. So let's go. 1 o'clock, an hour later, and we got this bitch out. She's looking good. My son ready for ready. Yeah, this nigga right now, bro. This nigga having fun with the burbles. Yeah. I just want to let y'all know, this is first day in the car. I never let him drive the car before. This is my first time letting him drive. So we gonna see how he gonna do right now. We gonna find out. We gonna find out how Primo does, man. You y'all hear this nigga right now? Y'all hear this, man? But yeah, I know he gonna do good. I got faith in my son Primo, man. God damn. God damn. God damn. My son Primo, man, what the fuck, bro? I'm not driving my car. Man, my son Waldo tapped out today. My son parked up right here. Like, what the fuck? Nigga tapped out. Look at this nigga, bro. Look at this nigga right now. Niggas over here paying for the driver shit, bro. Alright. Yo, that's just how healthy, nigga. Big Briss behind the wheel. Big Briss behind the wheel. Yeah, nigga. about to send this shit. This nigga over here going retarded. First fucking day. Like, nigga, I don't think you understand how uncommon that shit is, nigga. A lot of niggas cannot do this shit. What the fuck is that, my son?
this shit is fun, nigga. This is a saddle, nigga. That's what it is, nigga.
Very successful drift day. Very successful drift day, man. Holy shit.